Thank you, Chair. Excellencies and distinguished delegates, India conveys its sincere appreciation to the Government of Kenya and to UNEP for the gracious hospitality and the exemplary arrangements made for UNIA 7. The theme of this assembly, Advancing Sustainable Solutions for a Resilient Planet, resonates strongly with India's long-standing commitment to living in harmony with nature and with our national vision of inclusive, sustainable, and climate-resilient development. This commitment is further reflected in India's Mission Life, which is a global movement that promotes mindful consumption and encourages individual and collective action to adopt sustainable lifestyles. India approaches UNIA 7 with the conviction that environmental solutions must remain centered on people and that global action must be guided by the principles of equity, common but differentiated responsibilities, and respective capabilities and respect for national circumstances. These principles enable ambition, foster trust, and strengthen multilateral cooperation. India's domestic actions over the past decade demonstrate what determined national efforts can achieve. We have already achieved 235 gigawatts of non-fossil fuel installed electricity capacity, which is significantly ahead of our target. India's Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, that is Plant for Mother campaign, is a people's movement that draws powerful parallels between caring for our mother and also nurturing Mother Earth. Under this initiative, more than 2.6 billion saplings have been planted across the country in a movement aimed at restoring degraded landscapes and strengthening ecological resilience. Our river rejuvenation efforts, including Namami Gange, demonstrate the effectiveness of science-based and community-driven approaches to restoring ecological health. Simultaneously, India's circular economy measures and extended producer responsibility in plastics, batteries, e-waste, and end-of-life vehicles are promoting resource efficiency with sustainable production and consumption. Internationally, India continues to advance collective action through the International Solar Alliance, the Global Biofuels Alliance, the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, the International Big Cat Alliance, alongside several other knowledge and capacity sharing initiatives. These platforms reflect India's long-standing commitment to South-South cooperation and to strengthening the voice of the Global South in shaping global environmental solutions. For many developing countries, accessible finance, technology transfer, and capacity building remain essential enablers of effective implementation. Recognizing the need to address the growing threat of wildfires, India has piloted a resolution on integrated fire management. We thank the co-sponsors and other member states for their constructive engagement and support on the resolution. Excellencies, India views environmental action not merely as a policy imperative, but as a pathway to dignity, to opportunity,
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.